Hi everyone, my name is Penjor Ngudup. I am a principal strategic advisor here at Rego. My specialty is in TBM and architecting in Apptio. I'm really excited for the sessions that I'm going to be involved in. The ones that jump out to my mind right now are TCO, what does it really take? Is it as easy as apple pie? Can it really be done in 12 weeks? Another session that I can think of right now is designing a TBM model that is defensible. It's well and good building a model, but can we actually, instill trust and faith in the model? So that one's going to be a fun discussion. Best practices for designing a complex Apptio solution. That one is near and dear to my heart as well. So those are just a few of the sessions that I'm really looking forward to. Honestly, what I'm most excited about Rego U is just meeting everyone that's going to be attending. I really want to try and meet each and every one of you, share ideas. I'm sure there's going to be lots of novel ideas that's going to come up that we can all take back into our solutions, our models, our next roadmap. So yeah, honestly, it's just meeting everyone and hoping to get energized by the energy that everyone else is going to be bringing into Rego U.